Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 15 and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So, before we get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector like this one. Now, it might not look as fancy for you as it does for me, but it should come provided with a device in the box somewhere between the paperwork. Now, if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, chain on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. If I can get the light to shine, there we go. So you can see this little tray right here. The tiny little hole in it, as part of that cutout, is basically where you need to put this in. So there we go. And just push it in. You can see when you do, the tray pops out enough for you to just pull it out. Now on the tray, you can see we have space for just two different SIM cards. I'm going to occupy the top tray, which is labeled as, if I bring it up close, come on, there we go, SIM 1, face to screen. So that's where we need to put in our card. Now the reason I'm occupying the tray number 1 is because tray number 2 will also allow you to use a eSIM. When using SIM card and eSIM substitute tray number 2. So tray number 1 is always going to be one for physical SIM card, while the second one is interchangeable. You can either use eSIM or SIM card, and obviously when you use eSIM, this tray becomes unusable. So no matter if you have a card here or not, it just won't work. Anyway, with that in mind, we're going to insert the card back into our device, and it should start working right away. Just give it a second. There we go. So it pops up with the SIM card pin. Once confirmed, it just unlocks the SIM card and we're good to go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.